Hello, my name is Johan Kraft, CEO of Percepio. We're a Synopsys partner, and we are now introducing a new collaboration between Synopsys and Percepio for the new EV6 Vision AI processors. We have added support in Tracealyzer to visualize the runtime behavior, the execution profile of OpenVX applications. And here in Tracealyzer, you can now see an OpenVX application recorded by Synopsys MetaVare EV. And we can see three different views here. In the top, we see a detailed trace of this OpenVX application showing the different nodes in the graph, the different operations that is performed on this image stream. We can see how they time and how well the application behaves. In the middle, we can see the different EV cores, how they are utilized over time. We can see there that there are certain parts where the vision processor is not fully loaded. And in the lower part, we can see the time it takes for these OpenVX functions to complete. And here we can see that there are certain patterns, and if we click on any point, this corresponds to one execution of an OpenVX function. We can find this in the more detailed trace. So this is a very powerful new tool for embedded vision and AI developers using Synopsys EV6 processors that allows you to optimize your application to get the maximum performance for your system. This will be available during late September, early October for OpenVX, and later on in the next months, we're also releasing support for CNN visualization. I have an example of how that looks too. So here we see an example of a trace from a CNN application running on the EV6 CNN accelerators. So here we can see the different frames and segments, how they are processed over time. The colors correspond to the different frames. So you can see how the data moves through the CNN processing. The CNN support will be available later in 2018. So, if you're into OpenVX or CNN applications on Synopsys EV6 processors, you should really go to percepio.com and subscribe to our newsletter for updates on this. Tracealyzer also supports several real-time operating systems, such as FreeRTOS. So if you are using FreeRTOS on an ARC processor, for instance, you should look into that too. Thank you.